My name is Seema. I finished my graduation in 2006. I am from a commerce background. So I finished my graduation in my native Sirsi, that's from totally South Karnataka, North Karnataka. And from there I started my journey to a job. So in 2006 I finished my graduation. As per my family background, my husband name is Chetan. He is working with Oracle Financial Services. And my son name is Palash. About now, I have started my own institute called Prerana Academy of Excellence. That's a small coaching center I'm running now. Now I have kept it from first standard to up to 12th standard, and even I have kept this IIT JEE NEET. So it's a sort of engineering entrance exam and the medical entrance exam as well. So in summer camp also ran, it was a very good response. I got it. I had almost 10 to 12 kids for handwriting and then art and craft. So till now it is almost 6 months. So I'm running. We have 3 months. I have 3 teachers under me who are working with me. So they come in the evening time for whatever hours they want to take it. And it will be, timetable will be set for them. Okay, this is the time they have to come and take the class. I did the local marketing sort of thing, like leaflets, banners, and some online marketing. Biggest dream would be as I told you, I want to become an entrepreneur. That is not as a small entrepreneurship. Okay, you are running something, it's like a housewife. Okay, you are running something. Okay, it's on, keep on going. It's not like that. So I want to recognized by some people. Okay, she's a person who started this institute. She's growing very good coaching. People are providing. It's a very good coaching center, and people should be knowing, at least in your own locality, people should know, okay, this is the person who is running this institute. So it's like a dream. Okay, somebody is telling, somebody is recognizing you and telling that, okay, this lady is doing, and she's doing alone, and she did all these things. 3 things in the sense, like a strong business model who can work for me, a better entrepreneur, and go ahead and have some more branches in Bangalore or all over India, something sort of it. And if someone who wants to help me out in investment part also, that will be a good option. And third is that's what marketing help, because I'm totally limited to that kind of space, because I'm not able to know what to do next, what next I have to do, what next marketing if I do I get and when to do it, because marketing is something every month you cannot do it. Sometimes is okay, when the school start you have to do marketing, when their exams over at the time you have to do it. So all kind of some ideas I should get it. So that's the reason. This is my biggest dream. I want to become a businesswoman, great businesswoman.